Marble polishing company Kingston upon Thames by Tile Cleaning Surrey. Are your marble surfaces looking dull and lacklustre? In Kingston upon Thames, this is a common dilemma. Marble, despite its beauty, can easily lose its shine due to daily wear, improper cleaning, or simply age. Our team, based in New Malden, combines professionalism and proficiency to bring back the natural charm of your marble. We understand that choosing the right service can be overwhelming, but with our expertise, we make it simple and effective. Here's what sets us apart. Our technicians are not just trained, they're craftsmen in marble restoration, ensuring your marble isn't just cleaned but revitalized. Our services range from removing stains and etches to restoring that elusive shine. And the result? A staggering improvement in your marble's shine. Call 01784 775 813 or use the simple contact form on our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Experience the difference with a professional company. Your marble deserves the best.